lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you know, in this channel we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, all opinion is highly needed and is wonderfully welcome. If you love what I do in this channel, my love, why don't you subscribe and join the family? Because for sure, victory will remain ours. All right, my wonderful family, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you pick some sense from this video. Let me release it so we watch it together, and I will be right back.
Non, I say, I get alone, I say, no. Open a man, nine, no. I feel good. Indigenous people, rapper. Oh, a banana, no. I need to do balabala. I need to do the best, and I don't know. Hey,
Democrats, independents, and the fight against anti-Semitism, as though that America will forever be a land where Jews can simply be Jews, can be proud to be Jews with no fear, to live in safety, freedom, and prosperity. Baruch Hashem.
Thank you, Senator. My name is Ron Klein. I'm a former Democrat, Congressman from Florida.
I remember from the 60s.
Yeah, correct. Thank you all for coming out today. All over the country to send this message of solidarity against anti-Semitism, hatred, and fear. I stand here as a former Democratic Congressman and chair of the Jewish Democratic Council of America, along with my colleague, Senator Coleman. Together, we say there is no place in America for anti-Semitism from any source, not from either side of the aisle, from any group, individual, or elected official. Too often, critically important issues such as anti-Semitism are politicized or used as a wedge issue in support of a political agenda. We must stand together to send a message of unity against hate. Our history shows over and over again that the Jewish people have been stereotyped, demonized, scapegoated, and targeted. We also know that even when we are the first targets, we're not the last. And attacks against any of us are attacks against all of us. 6 months ago, at the Capitol, just behind us, we witnessed extremists and anti-Semites wearing their hatred on their chests. In recent years, Jews have been murdered in American synagogues by right-wing extremists and threatened on American streets, and it had nothing to do with Israel. In recent times, hostilities between Israel and Hamas have been used as an excuse to attack American Jews. Enough is enough. Just as criticism of American leaders does not make us less patriotic, so too occasional criticism of the policies of the Israeli government is not inherently anti-Semitic. However, make no mistake about it, using the actions of the State of Israel as an excuse to attack Jews and the practice of Judaism is anti-Semitism, pure and simple. Similarly, there are those who articulate either aggressively or in their silence they condone anti-Semitic language or behavior. These people must be